Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my top knot bun. It's a really simple, easy, laid back hairstyle, but still cute. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can already see, I've already started adding water to the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm going to start adding my mielle pomegranate and honey curl smoothie. You guys, this stuff is seriously bomb. It gets my hair so sleek, especially when I do my bun hairstyles. I love it. So now I'm just using my hands to smoothen out my hair, basically getting it ready to apply my brush to get it really nice and sleek and put it up in that top bun the way I like it. And yeah, I'm already exhausted, as you can see. I try to use my hands to manipulate my hair as much as I can. That way I can avoid using the brush because it's pretty harsh, but it gets it really sleek. But I just don't want to use it as much. So I didn't realize some of my hair was out the shot, but basically I'm just rolling my hair upwards to get ready to roll it around my ponytail and get it a nice upwards top knot bun. So it looks really nice and thick. So now you can just kind of manipulate it and play with it a little bit to get it as neat or as messy as you want it. Basically, whatever your style is, just kind of play with it. I also like to use a little bit of gel just on top, just to add a little bit of sleekness to it. Not too much, but it just holds it in place a little bit more. Just a little bit on top. Alright guys, so that is basically it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you next time.